Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this easy double stroke effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened a new project. The first thing what we need to add text, add heading, like same as before, canvateacher, especially if I can type properly. So increase the size a bit and select the whole text, change the font type. I use the lobster. This is a very cool one. And select the whole text again, change the font color to this salmon, why not, and click on the text and go into the effects. We need the outline, change the outline to same color as the text and increase the thickness to 200, duplicate it and align, and going back to the effects and change the color to whatever we want, like white, and reduce the thickness to like 80 or whatever we need, 100. And we can just select the two text together, going to the advanced settings and the line spacing, just reduce a bit. And now select again the two text, we can group it, change the size, position, and move it to middle and center. And now we can change the background also whatever we want. Yeah, like this one. So this is one of the easiest way to create this double stroke effect in Canva, or even we can do triple or even more if we are always align it and reducing the thickness. We can create more than double. We can create 4 or 5 if you need it. But I just wanted to show you guys now the basic. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in the Canva or just have any question regarding Canva, just let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page, and of course on the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I'd already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.